Hi guys, my name is John DeMello. This is IDS GHTV.
This is your girl Miss Force, and you know seminar first to say keep watching IDS GHTV.
Yo, IDS TV, you are full of ideas, you are full of creativity. IDS TV, we're too sure from one Canada.
Yo, I bet him po come ko fake that or record will be move and pimple be plan essence IDS GHTV. Move.
Well, how the fireman Mescal they are representing for IDS TV, you don't know. And we say 10 shot can call more fire.
One shot, is it? I'm Medium Dempsey and I represent for IDS, is it?
Thank you very much. And I want to share ideas in the morning on Monday. And I share na maybe you do know what I mean. C4 na you do know. C4. I don't know you do know constructive citizenry criticism chapel. I don't know you do know. Offer my Ommfa ho. And if baby will be ano, Mr. in Chemo, I salute you. Good morning to everyone. Mamfa Chekasara, Mfama the president of Ghana, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. I admire you so much. This gentleman, Papa, me admire pa, Papa, but who ministers and who MCs in Binim Naz and anyone Kasana wants to obey Juma. Mamfa Chekasama, the Western Regional Minister, or Honorable Kobe Ochidako. Baby will be ano. I salute you, sir. Good morning. Who could na yewe. Na Mambra Mankasa me peso na me bichia. Ohina Osha Efia na Brempon a otodo enum. Baby will be anana wakwa Mr. Michio and a pay baby will be ano. Mr. Fanchia mfama Efia constituency Yanankasa Yan MP Honorable Joseph Kujo wofan men at work. Baby will be ano. Michio. Good morning, Honorable. Na munko Ekma Efia Community Municipal Assembly. Na mkichia the mana obo ejuma pa no Michel Honorable Kujo Akwa bebe obi anu mesa na pay good morning salute to you na mchia the PR papa of Ekma Alaji I salute you sir good morning na mesa no fenchia mafama the security guard original Ozema Sabio Ozema MC Kujo Akwa ono so ninchia Yanfa man, fair, the Mara. Inti idea symphony na modo todo. Inti hui, mshara na mezi tumuna modo todo na mwiya mezi idea symphony no sumeyeden modo todo no chada no. Also tuma, otumu so also call. No wa samanyen, bebe yeri ya manfa hu mwato pay. Masi se anka, waka ubewu na wankaswa ubewu. Munye kanawu na nsamfu yehi ebo kwanche good morning
akodo ma good morning ma ajedo fe obiem
wapo me abuzage
ododo boko C4
constructive citizenry criticism chapel na yebokodo yenkete swafo no senden ekokro bi da sabi wohwe wodwuma ne papa ebotuma aye ansana wotum na waye womboa another word position bi wadasha wonsa Anye part is nature ekuduru baby na wutum na was adwuma na shawsa yenkete so for then it is so for na embra
go to civilized countries. Certain politicians, people are there because of their merit, not appointed by politicians, and they work and serve well. Look at our security agencies, puppets of the ruling party, ruling government. And so they are not able to open their mouth, even arrest thieves who ride public cars and are fed by the state. People who earn more and better, well salary, and fringe benefits, occupying official houses with chauffeur-driven cars. Benefits come in thousands. They steal the most in the country. Go around the prisons when we go to give communion and pray for them. We are Buko. We are Ponchi. Some remand for years. And yet those who openly steal and plunder walk our streets. What kind of society is this?
Yes! So for the workers and what's in the one share sabio. One shot parties in nature. One shot one fell na what the position was then. What's the mom? And I pay my far. Mama light with the fee. Proverbs chapter 14 verse 1 to 2. But I'm the trainer back home. Me the trainer back home because in the direction of the other far. Western region deserves better. Western region deserves better. Anama kamasam. And then the minyan TV there was there. Ayana, Ewa, Mukul, I assembly or awful Untina. Ayana, why them. Western region deserves better than the Yabakamasam because Western region deserves better. Yes, Western region deserves better. Honorable Kobe Ochadako, I salute you. The new appointed STMA. Penina Abadan Mayo, I salute you. Wasn't escaping Kakra, John Last, PRO, I salute you. One word Juma, no mommy here can't call. Western region here can't call. You understand me? You understand me? How many companies are to me boast of Western region? You back and some, I'm coming. Now, later, Mama Ebo Crunch fire. Namasana about fire. Namama Ebo Crunch fire. Namama about fire. Nebo Crunch fire. Nama fire. Be a citizen, don't be a spectator. This is a quote from the president of Ghana. On no Kenya. Also, remember Ebo Shazini be part of the game. Ebo Crunch. Good morning.
Good morning, Bianco.
Masay Chill Bill.
Yamado Pawaso's name.
Yamado, one as a watch Chavez. Okay.
In Sorry Nabini.
Now, the pay. We can spark a card for him.
Miss Beffer Ghana Health Service.
Ghana Health Service.
On Ghana Medical Association.
Okay.
Miss Beffer on Saints and Sembi Kodo one man, Miss and Tassi. Maybe I am my dream or Brom for but I don't want to about part of the chain, maybe Tassi.
Thank you.
It's in the Motu Janamon.
Motu
Janamon. No more approach and so I am a Ghana Finobiatasi.
No matter. Mafaro, Berna, you do no ideas in the morning. Or man, do not actually draw down because if Fida Biarano, Wakabaya Sma, do not Smadu, Maya Corona, Yazi. Mafaro is about me and my sports, no share. And you grab bar. Yet the Dulian, no Massamanian, is it to a buzzage. And now, into now, a book country,
Uncle you.
Proverbs chapter 14. Verse 1 to 3. Kankan na yamba beam.
Yo, I'm there can't remember confirm one which verse
8 21. 8 21.
Yanko
8 1. Okay.
It's our that's 14.
14 here. 14 here.
14 verses
1 to 3.
Brother.
You didn't can ya fire. Mbesafuna. Sabio. Won di won you know. Trasofo no. About fire one is here.
Akojo. Proverbs chapter 14.
Yes.
Verses number 1 to 3.
Thank you.
Oya bebu sam. Iti aodo anan. Iti chem kwezi ibasa. The wise woman builds her house.
Okay.
But with her own hands. The foolish one tears hers down. The wise woman builds her house. But with the hands I could remember the Mammy new translation one near come now the Bible in Oya and Bigo. Proverbs chapter 14 verses 1 to 3. The wise one builds her house, but with her own hands. The foolish one tears hers down. The wise woman builds her house, but with her own hands. The foolish one tears hers down.
Thank you.
2. He who walks is upright fears the Lord. He who walks is upright fears the Lord, but he whose ways are devious despises him.
Thank you.
He who walks is upright fears the Lord.
Verse 3 no am down. Verse 3 can one
Bible in fact ebi so no oye hu.
Verse 3 no wo bra.
A fool's talk. A fool's talk brings a rod to his back.
Yes.
But the
are you a wise woman? A wise woman built a home, but a foolish woman tears it down with its own hand. Instead of Ghana, you can't kebi. Instead of Ghana, you can't kebi. Listen, the Western region deserves better, and you have fire. And so in the book of Proverbs 8, verse 12 to 15, you have but 14, verse 1 to 10, you come out some Obanya Safu says in if ye. A book of different classes and beside from why beside for subject by me and you son one about now one. Social media tea, quote unquote Jimmy, quote unquote Jimmy. I don't know what people make this people celebrities. I don't
Uncle,
what criteria of celebrate on even as a
then we come for the master. Yaka Obia, Yabaka, the mini pabena. You'll be there. Okita Bravo, Subia, another one pro Benedict. Some level will be like ya Bonizina. It could be on the mini pedi, mid nature, and the mission and the mutual. One at the one. Today, my pen Akufo-Addo. Today, JDM. Today, Omoko Jakwa. Today, Alkodo Freestar. Today, Mr. Matthias Tufudamwa. Thank you. Good one day. Obi try na man kwabi. Yes, no obe celebrity. Ha. Na anopo no level bi o ebo do one say dem do celebrity level no. Ye do celebrate. Ye mo bi no do celebrate. Dr. Kwano Nkrumah na we celebrities. Yes. Nelson Mandela no. Yes. Etasa. Yes. Professor Lumumba no. Yes. E wada. Some people na we celebrities. Oya dam sabio. Makola Brazil streets now. What about church on Facebook now? Social media no. Upon us some call home. Na was my guest chest name wa menya bottle at na some be look at the man or the can wo fan cham. Akwe na pay hit no into the Bible in pack number. Bible no number. Akwa mental talk share. Nkete say what about the American. As you are growing you have to cry yourself. You fancy go for American. Every you know dey ekro ho. You nimpa or dey ekro ho. Na be yin bo woro atmasa de be maka da masam hwe my sister embe wo shepe na menye nke chenchi na mo yemo mfa nkatene fi odabi obi anyi wo pe da mazan ka krebi na wo pe bongo styling you understand me nti ko bongo styling na anu ye egbo crunch na ere ho baby oteten wo bongo styling wo mo mpa acha na abi said de kro ho mo mfa de me besi afotu mo bo bia ne din ba wa wo yem kwasefo Oba Ghana ha no chere I don't know for the views ana or view na wonya na de likes na wonya oh yeah views per se but no go asesem e say be saba who's bio no onsobo who's bio no onsobo I think these people are not supposed to be called women they are not supposed to call ladies they are girls girls they are girls we are on them party no fan sign one kind of family they are girls common girls True cities blessed, now what about social media now? Why flaunt about it now? Why them? Why say oh? One say who be social media about it pan was my hand. But I don't know when this thing will come back and hunt them. This thing will come back to hunt you people. Because social media on quad keda school. And then school. Nti se obana akoko do secondary school na teasing time on another story we mete bo kranche abofa bibi was auto cheche ni said the tempo na munya story na wo auto cheche na ma me ne ba ka cheche na wonye bo police station wa aka san ho ekunu oda homa oda ka she no kwan tie and die razors tie and die razors we with that the first time why are they ya mene nko mwaza ntintin na edete temofam no manje woni ye baden them ladies na wo Ghana kroma na wonje dem esisi azina warrior sabio mama mfama no brofam kakana me wonkasa wo mo binim botuma ya sister mpanyefo binim botuma ya munwana mkakramba wonje dem esisi azina wonje dem nkras sam no wonje dem enyim gwas sam no social media nya hwe mfama because of likes and views na car you akaye boni awa madipo na ye you awa na ye fear for some corner what for some corner what ebony beautiful queen what is ebony I am 1 year or 2 years a year she's gone editor mom information ebony way how many years ni one information break information down beautiful girl oko did you I would am get kokobi na oya Ghanaian movie na get kokobi no what find them get kokobi no mana owo wana kofofi Suzu Williams so wana kofofi wonya movie bi ntwa no oh wana kofofi wonya bi ntwa ampo wonya botal look at somebody like Jakapia I was not Jakapia when we first Jakapia what you call abada social media no social media on Facebook who likes views you don't have anything nyansa dibia wala about to Facebook obi ekobi page nyansa dibia ni wo because you think you have followers people are watching you have made an impact abonyom da aye movie da man kan no na eye gbonyom ti say you make impact nka won be safe be won ka won adwene bom another baasa another banani won ka won adwene bom na sabe what your foundation
One year foundation, Nancha, dear Sabia, one of Brabana wouldn't come away no way from what I got to think at it and I say, and Yafamida, and Canada, Yabobia, Ancha, ye may in Nina Bakwa, Yenin Papanum, Yenin Janum, Yenin Cronum, Yenin Wafanum, Yenin Jimmy Penifo, it's his Siafu Minum. Obi who sabi tuna no hu man no ho obi ntan fa me mani be th for kwages achukuluko ne side we say sabi bese bia no tunye benyi nakoma ni maka bisa wonana ame be bisa na nka nchem da dama asam no aya na diba yesro me na nka nchem de bese no tunye benyi nakoma inyo ayampa wona na de yitu ezema won but wada da adwonto ho awala wo maame akasa owo as a worker wo maame akasa owo atotama wo maame how many years ni eto se na mama how many years ni wo wife enyi wo fi eto draws for man how many years ni na mama ni draws that do yala on sana homa na why dey sabi pullover that do bia na ohye na guess it to tom one this are done my guess but I think that opinion bi na wasn't the name no I mean I'm not here to mention obi anything but work capable that what I can see obi do ebi no say JDM ebi say na Nigeria gaze them na aze na Nigeria gaze na so for na wo ye na one po so na some kono the right channel in Penyufa wo abanim bring these girls to caution because ekwato de huri osiwunua no da men kan chana de umfi no donko ka chen de umfi hian donko na show fi wunua no da baba wodo moko mi kwancho wa fire me baba western region deserves better amande wur manfa ho wo so information bi o we ho e wona wura no de gugu basa be bia wono twemfo nyina fa sanem 0279 065137 0279 065137 twemfo nyina fa sanem video kakra bi lebot ma ya video ne fa bra maka tum na mzama we wona e wona nzama bi nkoyi ma yene nsanka we wona e wona nzama bi nkoyi ma yene nsanka we wona e wona nzama bi atochima ma yene nsanka ye ba butu na atum everywhere you are wala ngasa hwa na yi wozi na atasitase wozi wom na cha de ezai we ma anke bu kranchi
ankojo me da sida ma kwenye kesoti de mine ozikano mexican madam pefu bebe ase pein bia a ehwe dwumezi no me da wase ai pein fo wo hwe dwumezi na me da wona ase na etie bia mu no so Ghana Health Service Ghana Medical Association me da we na ase na mmom wasam kope mizibi 7 pein fo de medjuma ku ina anu no mo asemi mizibi 7 Masama mi bisa we na ne de anna nipa na sika wana ne hu hia nipa na sika wana ne hu hia matefo ma akodo medime nya atuma ehu de epem bebe no so bi ya na se ya benu mu yazina nipa no won hwa no ebete no wose raise an amount of day ensana wetu ahwe nipa no raise an amount of day answer we too why surgery raise an amount of days we too why ni pardon them na me be said there enti no all to do be them scan we raise na se nipa no wa hwe no kwa one why
ebo nurses na doctors ni be we wunye wan hwe
yes one to team no one me yeta there I want use on yazi we won na me be said there enti Ghana Medical Association Ghana Health Service nipa no wa be da ho na ebe wasi wonya 40,000 Answer we too much and nebu shafu when you 40,000.
It's a scandal was about one and what were pants. What I don't understand. I'm if you are saying it's a premise there or the way you are saying the premise on there. And some would wash a nipano. Yazama, man, one back crack. No one's actually nipana another. I'm running to my own provided my one. 1 million that I mean. I'm going to provide them. I'm research him. You offer a national health insurance. Oh, you ma. Oh, what are you? I have no way for them. There are some hospitals. I'm chipping. There are some hospitals. Or the health in Bosho one may could do any other dispensary open. Dispensary will be aged. Any other the drugs you buy. Wow. Yeah. You buy the drugs because a drug was bomb on your drug. I want to remember what you pay with them or say it's a bottle. It's a message. Ghana Medical Association, Ghana Health Service. Yes, someone. 1 million no kwano. Says the kind of one demand from Nippon. Every 40,000, 20,000, 60,000. Near with the Missy. Yes, it can be. I want one. No was out to talk. I can't even what was out in Nippon Wagema because Nippon live on a bread. On them no yes can into no. No, they are out now and not them pad move.
Never and say maybe say it's all on them akumen woman. Akumen woman. It is want to be shiny pana. The miss canoe. More body put any pano high. Because Nipana catch him. Or you be a bit better back with the way it's even no. Na Kojo or Yade Net ye the miss the amount of it na to go 1 bone 2 for surgery. Ever hand one more. The miss on the Nippon one hospital 1 man. Mwansho we would them problem no. It's a was on the miss canada. One no Jenima. Also walk away the miss canada sana. Why Nippon? I have a senior doctor in my church, and he always tell you that any doctor who demand a higher amount from Obi Oyer is a wash any piano, or you're correct. He always tell you. It's me premise say Ghana Health Service, Ghana Medical Association, and the government of Ghana. That the is the annual cordon. 1 million who sent away the Mazano. Sabotabi so baby yen. It's all the people to the hospital man. What you wash now move because Oniska. 1 million would have message and you may say ben. Yes, so baby. Thank you. Toko. Thank you. But SCM a new boss no. Ben on the Nizi Abdul Mumin Isa. Okay, open Abdul Mumin Isa. About you Manado. And I'm kicking some wine as a so baby Yamo Aquaba Yamo at Nas opening to the not say ho. This one will be political thing. Come and do the work for Ghana as a Ghanaian. Be patriotic, you understand me, come and do the job. I believe in you. Able to now into me yanka one from this war because wasn't new true to Ninja Champonano. On Monday we run a good direction. I walk about 4 minutes now to Manaya, so the Mezinado. There's a broad Monday to Friday. Western region deserves better because of time no call, but Western region deserves better. Western region in Penifo, and I'm a chassis with the fish room as a beno. Regional Minister, Honorable Joseph Kujo, name Penifo, MCs, and Penifo Hainano. One come on show, lobbying skills and uncodo, lobbying skills and uncodo. If you was this way, you said, could you have home wasn't because lobbying skills now go down YMC, Masisia, Kukobila Road and Wally. Fantastic. Marble, where in from? Marcobulo, where in from? Your friend then. Councilman Songo. Fantastic. Cry. Fantastic. Into no, your friend then, Honorable MC. Kujakwa bebe will be ano ideas electra catch honorable Kujakwa the messenger or fantastic all bejuma but on place can be my for office be one you pretty money we western ekma hade because she wana asase do na yentu me den yenkwenim oyi obejuma nti eduma na omom mfin si wara wana wode eduma checha wan sanketenkete na hwan so na de wo ye ne ye ma bibia den oye fine emu mpa che na wo so monyo nyimpa pampa msuem emu mpa che na be a Ghanaian be African Ghanaian ya African ma do bi mbasha wakomem nka no yetum ko bi ne fake titi isa pa adwom bone to bi antum ko bi an fake titi bonya won charge first anka bonya tum dress ko bi ne fie tum isa obi ne baja bone tum mbon isa bi mo ma odo na fi wiaze nka mbona Christian som na nka mosum no koso ni mom na chere yenya odo na yezi yeduma no masama no kam na twa bia na awo mababa pon ebo anko round table in bring round table but answer na ebe ko round table message producer don make 2 minutes when discuss something to be uncle Edwin share Go TV Edwin share Multi TV ebe so na go tell ebo kwa chama work member the master no me fan share joda na de wukuda imaza mo collect all the mukofo na wo be TV do one telephone numbers na max ma to credit na call them live or TV do me jina ya na ma afro bia nyamcha you will help me out na ya afro wi na jimina the and pardon me say the Christian council you are oh serious there pardon me say the peace council you are multi TV and almost all the channels National Media Commission national no me fan chat impo what is national Ghana Broadcasting Corporation about content na west Ghana Broadcasting Corporation GBC state institution day state institution in Ghana Broadcasting. It's my don't bother them. We are talking about National Media Commission. Kunankasa na wash there about radio station, about TV, one more license na. The mukofo nankasa na wo won. Omo won asan no dey say then. Yes. For the master no for to ye. Ampa. Yebo malam dey everybody din. Oh yebo. Na malam ya ask you say when I send friend request for Facebook na why dey ye hu. I send friend request made late. I send Facebook I am malam. Why they am first friend request no originally naturally another artificially one say SNA ma accept. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? Nah but me messenger. Mo show ni ma bon sisi ah.
na be messenger na be send him you are a spiritual guru for to bushafo
ampa guru maso asend request dance no
what dwini yedwuma hu ha ayo malama for chat is come bushafo yale hu send friend request me do picture babo to for you the machine shawo baby a
abotala Fidel Yami and them I can Judah. You boy break them records now the whole Ghana, the whole world. You who don't know. Yami Adume in Bri. Yami Adume in Bri. Ijebo, January Abudri. And then we yet no film. Yet no film Hanum Ideas JTV Studio Hanum. Yes, a round table. The round table. Yes, a bro. And you them table, who baby ada. Na ehunu baby also apart from ideas GATV do the bomb them round table you're a social political program near as a bro 70 politics 30 social issues near as a bro wa be yen nia pin yen na yen brother yen wofa the only professor obetine gom yen kojo aziame beye Mr. Matthias Mensa obetine from wazi jumezi ozabro abensu ya bonechi dom wa hanuma bibia obe kama nenda no ye benya abegofo wa hanum de be hu flyers no do no bibia be dewa obe efew kacha wenyanko on kacha ne yanko sent ne awohwe na wenyanko ahwe bia oba ho adwen etimo wenyanko hwe bi ne hunde ochine bi no so ninda owochina de me ne yenim no round table oyoja
thank you round table e go kache ma announce Facebook me Facebook page no you bring no me na agba say Facebook page Matthias Mensa echo Matthias Mensa Facebook page or you two could you freestyle so until comments messenger no so messenger messages ni na bottom na bia for messenger echo Matthias Mensa mesaba kan could you freestyle mesaba kan text messages no 0279 065 137 text messages no 0279 065 137 your contributions are welcome this evening na debut maiden edition for what's malam ni we fa malam tia ona tete mo no mu sa obosho camera nyima camera cha camera pa show an camera cha camera pa what tete won kan cha no jam friend request send na hello messenger me peda maden no kra intino text line no messages bibia WhatsApp message 0279065137 kwabi ewusi of NPP Baba Studio this evening na abrante wafana I could end this guy escape from Sisera wobaba intend this NPP for wobaba na be fine kwa idea TV page na call like ka share videos na be ran fine ya ka chode ye nyimpa e kasa na say none of ma won fan chan nembom ka hu de proverbs mbebusam till our tree ni chichem de nim no osen de emi nyansa na ahemfo fa modo wodi ze hin nti wana mo biara yetu no to ana mo na hu de nyansanyi ewo nchebe feature obi na yenko ncheze miche Ghana fui na micheche obi bia mansa misanso miche mame papa aha miche papa wo mbete aso asasido owura John S. Crunchy the chief engineer himself miche papa wo Kumasi si amnokasi misa miche mame nuan mo Daniel na Simon Daniel okupi oboase bebi obi ameka Daniel yamenye okasi no obi bia okasi miche obi bia na ne penu ma minche ideas creation fui na how the wo boeduma papa there's different ideas more creation videography meche photography graphic design TV production event live streaming music video shoot on movie production moyande ideas creation make one answer we feel kuma and they do VIP one man ideas creation we here one amatrufu de botuma from meche 020-899-6382 020-899-6382 and also 024-82-84-594 024-82-84-594 and also there 026-899-6382 026-899-6386 ideas creation different ideas more creations akojo it's a mano ato wanata that's papa wata maso meyi me da fam mazana no ma bibera ye fine intine mano rugata mgura amaka na mesena no say kasa na ye touchma on fan but 12:30 is one more mazana showbiz bars babado everything concerning western music awards western abade benaze kasahari movement on radio 360 Magic George will be around. Miss Sika woman is ready to serve you. Aha, ideas GH television on Monday ideas in the morning. I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. Inti member ye bosha azenyi makabi na meze abo amano. We're from Kojo, as a nyame bedo donora. We're from Kojo Freestyle. Matthias, Honorable Professor Dr. Bishop. Is in the world do aka Garongo. Enyumbri mayesha. We are discussing review of the registration. Registration it's in our channel and now you are discussing Enyumbri with other issues. So join us this evening at 7:30 p.m. as we bring you the debut edition of Round Table. Good morning, be safe, and be kind to everybody you meet on your way. Bye bye.